Infodome is the easiest way to create online database solutions. It's easy to collect, manage, and report, and share your data across the internet. It's simple and powerful and grows with your needs. It's familiar and dynamic, all in your browser. Infodome is simple and familiar. The left panel organizes your database into tables, relations, forms, reports, and people that you share with. It makes it easy. You can always find what you need. We're about to build this dealer sales database for a sporting goods company. The form for dealer Acme Supplies makes it easy for users to manage records. They can browse, edit, add, copy, filter, and search records. Infodome column reports make it simple to organize and total your relational data. Just drag out fields from related tables, point and click to group or total. Imagine the power of being able to do this so quickly. Summary reports let you see the big picture or drill down for business intelligence. When you add fields, the totals update like magic. You can even change date reporting on the fly. Again, the power and convenience all in a browser. Infodome makes it easy to share with users, but gives you granular control over the forms, records, and reports and fields that users can access. Now let's go build this application in a few minutes. Infodome makes it simple to create a database by importing your existing data. You can easily import pasted data, text and CSV files, Excel files, and Access and FileMaker databases. The Excel file of dealer sales imports into a table. You can set field properties and see the data. Now we'll add another table for products so we can later analyze our costs and margins. We'll import this clipboard data copied from Excel. It goes into the products table, which we'll use later in our report. Now we'll create a form to let dealer Acme Supplies enter and manage their sales data. Infodome makes it easy to visually create forms. Just drag out your fields and place them where you'd like. It feels like a software application. It's easy to add form controls. We'll start with a combo box or pull-down menu of products using the products table. Then we'll add radio buttons. Just type in the labels and Infodome will capture those values in the field. We'll create a checkbox control for installation using the Boolean fields yes, no. We'll reposition the checkbox and then add a text label to instruct users on how to fill out the form. Within a few seconds we have all our form elements on the layout. Infodome gives a lot of control over the design of the form. You see here how we're able to position, align, format, and style each form element easily. We know how important it is to get your form done just right. Giving you control over fonts, borders, background, and fill colors lets you customize your forms for your own needs. Looking at the data in the form, we want to filter this form to show only records for dealer Acme Supplies. We can easily filter the form by any field, but in this case by dealer. Once the filter is applied, we're done. This form is ready to share with Acme. We'll now create two reports on dealer sales, one detailed and one summary. You know how database reporting is typically a nightmare? Well, we've made it a dream. Columnar reports lets you easily group and total your data. You simply select the report type, the table, and your fields, and drag them into the report. Infodome lets you design a report and preview the data at the same time for your ease. Let's group this report by date using the blue field menu triangles. In an instant, our dealer sales are grouped by quarter. Now we'll group by dealer within each quarter. That took another second or two. We'd like the actual sale date, so we'll drag that back in. To rearrange report columns, just drag and drop. You can easily customize the report the way you want it. Wait a minute, we'd like product cost information from the products table. No problem. We'll just create a relation so we can create a relational report. Infodome makes it easy to create relations. Select the tables and the fields to be related, and voila, when you're done, the product table appears in the report and we can drag out the cost field. No need to write a query or anything that complicated. Just drag out the field into the report. Infodome makes it easy to add formulas to your report. Here we'll create the margin on sales by clicking columns similar to Excel. We'll create a new column called margin, double-click in it to put the equal sign, then click the sale amount column, the minus sign, and click the cost column. You can enter simple formulas or you can use the advanced formula editor with lots of functions and operators. Now that we have our margin, we can remove the cost field from the report. It's still used in the margin formula. Now let's take a few seconds to total our sales and margins per dealer. Select the field and total. Repeat for margin. That's it. We see the totals in the report. We'll add a header and footer for the report and format them, and then we'll generate the report to show all the records, the subtotals, and the grand totals at the bottom. Generate Report also makes the report available for users who have rights to the report. Reporting on your data doesn't get any easier or faster than with Infodome. Let's add a summary report of dealer sales. Summary reports make it easy to see the big picture and get business intelligence. Fields are automatically grouped. We'll choose month and change it later. Numeric fields can be automatically totaled. We'll drag out sale amount, select sum, and see total sales by month. Now let's add in the dealers and boom, the totals update. We can change the date intervals to quarters on the fly to analyze the data. Just click Generate, and this 30-second report is ready to share. Infodome makes it easy to share your forms and reports while giving you granular control over access rights. We'll add an Acme user and share the forms and reports so they can record and report on their sales in our database. Add a person using their email address, give them full rights to the form records, let them view and edit the sales reports. We'll also let John create reports on his own, but we'll restrict the field cost in the reports he creates. John will now be a user in the People section. John gets an email invitation, creates a password, and logs in using his browser. Infodome makes life easy for users too. They only get forms and reports. No need for them to worry about or mess with tables and relations. User John opens the Acme sales form and sees the filtered set of 25 Acme sales records. He enters a new sale record in the form we just created. It's simple for him to enter all the data using the fields, pull-down menus, radio buttons, and checkbox. Once he's completed the form, he then opens the report and sees the updated report with the new record that he's just added. Infodome has made it easy to manage remote dealer sales. Infodome is the easiest way to create online database solutions. Get it now.